Hello, everyone. Today we will create this low poly swimming pool, ideal for a 3D game. Delete the default cube, add a plane, scale it in the Y and X axis. Hit Tab for edit mode, hit K for the knife tool. Cut those edges like this. Select those faces and delete them. Select this face, extrude down with E in the Z axis. Inset like this, not too much. E to extrude, extrude down in Z axis like this. Hit 2 for edge selection. Select those inner and outer edges. Ctrl+B to bevel them like this. Make the number of segments 4 by scrolling your mouse wheel. Turn on cavity. Then add a plane and scale it up. Go to Shading View. Add a new material for the plane. Rename each object. I called it ground. You can name it whatever you like. Select the pool. Hit Tab for edit mode. Select this face. Add a new slot assigned to it. Add a new material like water. Make it blue. Set metallic property higher like 0.9. Set transmission to a higher value. Back to object mode, select this wall, add a new material, rename it to wall, set the base color to reddish like a wall. Go back to Layout mode, hit Z to view rendered mode. Good so far. Delete this default light, we will add our own light. Hit N on your keyboard to add this light. You need to install this Blender add-on, I will put the link in the description. It has tons of light options. You can add neon light like this, adjust power, change its position. You can clear lights you added, simple as it is. You play with it, I like to use this sunset rim. It is simple yet very powerful. Move this light with G. Adjust its power like this. Hit 0 on your keyboard for camera view, adjust until you are satisfied like this. That's it, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like.